The Goa Legislative Assembly election 2017 was held on February 4, 2017 to elect the 40 members of the Goa Legislative Assembly as the term of current Legislative Assembly ends on March 18, 2017. VVPAT-fitted EVMs was used in entire Goa state in the 2017 elections, which was the first time that an entire state in India saw the implementation of VVPAT. The term of the Legislative Assembly ended on March 18, 2017. The last election had resulted in a 21-seat majority to the Bharatiya Janata Party led by Manohar Parrikar. Parrikar was elected Chief Minister. In 2014, he had to resign due to being nominated as Minister of Defence. Laxmakant Parsekar took oath as Chief Minister as Parrikar's successor. The following is the list of winning MLAs in the election. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.